Hey guys, Shane from Jag's Journeys. I'm back today at Dreamworld in the Gold Coast. We're here again to have a look at more progress on the Steel Taipan roller coaster construction. We've had several more requests from our subscribers for more regular updates. We will try and get down here as often as we can. Sometimes there's not a lot of changes between each visit. However, at the moment there is a fair bit of progress happening here, particularly since our last visit. So we will check that out today while we're here. And because today we're doing roller coaster topic, we will check out other roller coasters here at Dreamworld, so you can check them out here on your next visit. Also, I just want to say a big thank you to all of our subscribers for supporting our channel, and also welcome to all of our new subscribers. It's great to have you all on our journey. Anyway guys, we're going to go and check it out now, so why don't you come along with me now and join the journey. This Steel Taipan roller coaster construction update is current as of the 21st of April 2021. Well, hey guys, so since our last visit, there's definitely more parts of the track, more support beams that have gone in. So essentially on a daily basis now, we'll pretty much start to see quite a lot happening. So the track itself, well, I guess the whole roller coaster track and everything won't take too long to actually go up, but it's all the other stuff, landscaping, theming, electrical, and then of course there's the testing of the ride and compliance of the ride. So hey guys, so with the Steel Taipan, we have said before, this is a triple launch coaster. It is made by the German manufacturer Mack Rides, very well known for roller coasters all around the world. This particular roller coaster here, the track is going to be 1.2 kilometers long, and it's going to travel at 105 kilometers per hour. You're going to get a G-force of 3.8 G's on this ride, so it's going to be an absolutely amazing ride to jump on and have a go on. Also, the back gondola will actually be spinning, and I believe that's a world's first. So the back gondola car on the roller coaster will be a spinning one. So that's really exciting, a whole nother level of excitement to experience here at Dreamworld on the Steel Taipan roller coaster, opening late 2021. Well, hey guys, so that's about all there is to actually see here on the construction site for the Steel Taipan. I hope you enjoyed that update. As I mentioned, we're going to look at some of the other roller coasters in the park here at Dreamworld right now. So let's go and take a look. So let's go and check out Macdonalds motor coaster. So the highest point on the Macdonalds motor coaster is 7 meters high. The ride actually goes a maximum speed of 75 kilometers per hour, and yeah, it's a pretty good family ride. Good thrill level for families. Pretty cool ride. Well, hey guys, so let's go now and check out the Gold Coaster roller coaster. Hey guys, so the Gold Coaster roller coaster is 40 meters high, and at its fastest point it goes 75 kilometers per hour. Hey guys, I just want to give a real big shout out to Joel and his family from Sydney. I met them today here at Dreamworld. They subscribe to our channel, watch our videos, enjoy our content, and I just want to say a big thank you to them for supporting our channel. And it was really nice to meet you today here at Dreamworld on the Gold Coast.
Hi everyone, we're from Sydney. I'm Joel, this is Charlotte. Nice to be here on Jack's Journey today at Dreamworld.
Hey, thanks for watching and supporting our channel.
Thank you.
So let's go check out the Buzzsaw coaster. Hey guys, so the Buzzsaw is 46 meters high and it goes 105 kilometers per hour at its fastest point of the ride. Let's head to the DreamWorks area and check out the Escape from Madagascar roller coaster. So unfortunately, the Escape from Madagascar roller coaster is currently down for annual maintenance, so we couldn't see it going today, but it'll be up again soon. So make sure when you come back to Dreamworld, check out the Escape from Madagascar roller coaster and have a go. Well, hey guys, so that's going to do it from my look here today at Dreamworld in the Gold Coast. Steel Taipan roller coaster construction update as of 21st of April 2021. I hope you enjoyed the update. We'll get down here as often as we can to provide you regular updates right up until the ride is opened. I hope you also enjoyed our content today on other roller coasters that you can ride here at Dreamworld on your next visit. Anyway guys, if you're new to our channel Jag's Journeys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, or if you're just watching our videos and you haven't yet subscribed, it would really help us out a lot if you could please push that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That'll keep you up to date with all the fun journeys we have. Also, don't forget guys to please like and share and comment on all our videos. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next journey.